and shake it. He'll say make it and rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't damn me, yo, your force is yellow and that shit look like your teeth.
Covered and the new headlight for the Camaro upside down. Brand spanking new, and it came with the bulbs. So we got one bulb, two bulbs. But all right, y'all. So road to the vlog and start off there. Today I will be replacing this headlight right here because I just got the Camaro back from the shop. I had some fender damage, door damage, bumper damage. Somebody had backed into it while it was parked. So they replaced one headlight, but then replaced the other headlight. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do that here today. I believe it's a simple process. You got one bolt right here that's holding it in. And then, I'm not sure if my plastic tab is gone, but we're gonna pop this off. See what else is holding it in there. Take out my LEDs that y'all can see I have. And then pop in this new one right here. The website I ordered it from came with some halogens. It's about to be 2025, you know. If you still got halogens, what the hell are you doing in life? So that's the new guy. Boom. There we have it. Gotta get a thumbnail real quick. There we go. Go ahead and get your 10 mil, 10 millimeter.
Can't do it by hand, this year. It's not waste time here.
As you can see, the headlight is already moving. Let's go ahead and pull the remainder of the screw out by hand. Put this somewhere safe. You do not want to lose that guy. So put that right there. I don't feel anything else holding it in place. Yeah, there is nothing else holding it in place. So pretty simple. Try not to scratch your bumper. Mine is freshly painted, so that would break my heart. So back here, get these boards out of there. Uno. Dos. Hey now, you're an all-star. There you have it. Headlight is out. Now for the fun part, pulling off the plastic. So fresh and so clean. Alright. Got that bad boy. Remember how you got it out of there? I remember something like that. Right. rubber pieces in place. You see right here, I kind of fucked up. Let me see what I can do. Try not to force anything, because that's when you start fucking up and scratching shit. Try to take your time, figure out how it goes in there, man. Just take your time. Here, it wasn't lining up with the hole supposed to be going into. It's like the bolt that you use to like turn the headlights and shit. So to angle it, it wasn't going in the hole where it should have been. So that's where I was fucking up at. Okay, plug these in before I can't do it. Get that thing off in there. That rubber is a bitch. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, this one like not even in there how it should be. So I just realized that I put it in there better than they did. See that? So yeah. Definitely shouldn't be like a little gap right here. Alright, got in as best as I could, as you can see. Now you take your bolt, put that thing back in that thing. Try to help it up a little bit. Get it started. 10mm. There you have it. 2 brand new headlights in that guy. Looks like right here you got a little adjuster. So I'm gonna loosen this up. So hopefully it pushes it forward. That's what I'm thinking. So that broke as well. I don't know how, but there you have it. You go on this side, do the same thing. Just twist this guy, and you'll see the bolt coming out. Pushing it forward. Just gonna push your headlight forward for you. Bam. Not too shabby. cockeyed no more. Looking mighty good if you ask me. With the new headlights. Close that gap up real nice. That's thirsty.
Who that nigga pulling up at the back, Headlight. Racks in the sack, gas in the pack. Yeah, in the front, in the 12s, in the back. Drink in my cup, Glock in my lap. Lame man nigga shaking hips and making him rap before he speak. Bro, West Atlanta nigga grew up with this music that make me sick. Don't doubt me, yo, your forces yellow and that shit look like your teeth.